exercise number 3.1, question number 10. The cost of chocolate is x plus y and Amir brought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If the x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, find the amount paid by him. We know that if one chocolate cost is rupees 1 means I am going to buy 10 chocolate means what we are going to do? 10 into 1 is 10, right? The same concept here also we are going to use that. The cost of chocolate is x plus y and he brought x plus y chocolate, right? The cost of chocolate is equal to x plus y. Amir brought x plus y chocolates, right? And then here the x is given as 10, y is equal to 5. The values are given, right? Now we want to find the total amount. Total amount is equal to multiple these two terms. I already told you 10 chocolate into 1 rupees means 10 into 1 is equal to 10, right? The same term here we are multiplying x plus y into x plus y. Now apply the value of what is x and y. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. Here also the same 5, right? 15 into 15 is equal to 225. 15 into 15 is 225. The cost of the chocolate he has bought rupees is 225 is the answer. Thank you, students. Hi students, class 9, exercise number 3.1, question number 11. The length of rectangle, the length is given as 3x plus 2 units and its breadth is 3x minus 2 units. Find its area in terms of x. What will be the area if x is equal to 20 units? First we want to find out the area of the rectangle and then we have to apply the value of x in that area. Here the length is given as 3x plus 2 and the breadth is given as 3x minus 2. We know that area of rectangle formula is length into breadth units, that is square units, right? Now L is equal to 3x plus 2, B is equal to 3x minus 2. So it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So we have a square minus b square. So in the place of a is 3x, in the place of b is 2. So 3x whole square minus 2 square, or otherwise you can do it in a binomial into binomial form also, right? Now square this term. 3 square is 9, x square minus 2 square is 4. Now if the value of x is equal to, if x is equal to 20 units, then the area will be 9 into, in the place of x I am going to apply the value 20 whole square minus 4. 9 into 20 square is, you know that, 400 minus 4. 9 4s are 36 and then 20 minus 4. When you subtract this 4 in the 3600, we get 3596 square units is the answer for the given terms. Thank you, students. Hi students, class 9, exercise number 3.1, question number 12. See, p of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and q of x is polynomial of degree 2. What kind of the polynomial p of x and q of x? See, the polynomial p of x is given as degree 1, q of x is the degree 2. Then when we multiply this, what you get? See, solution, the degree of p of x is 1, then the degree of q of x is equal to 2. Imagine, when we get the degree 1, the variable as the power 1, so x power 1, right? When we get the degree 2, the variables having the power 2, the same variable. Now the degree of p of x into q of x is equal to, see, when the variables having the degree 1 and 2, when we multiply these two, we get x power 3, right? We get x power 3. So the degree of the polynomial is 3. Either we can say it is a 3 or cubic polynomial So the degree of p of x and q of x, by this condition we get the value is 3. Thank you, students.